Nandito na guys. Naamoy mo. Naamoy mo. Naamoy. You amoy-amoy. Oh, if you really love me, you don't have to add anything.
Tell me you got ear infection, huh?
Is that what I have?
Yes.
Ugokon, maputaan niyo eh. Dinner time, guys. Let me see yung pasta ni Tami.
A little spicy. Good morning, Philippines!
Hello?
Hi,
Hi.
what's going on?
Nothing. Good morning. In your day of always like something.
Yeah, Monday morning. So I'm getting text from Andrea all morning, and Mom called up.
Mom?
She's 10 pounds breathing.
I thought she ordered something for that.
What? Did you have it?
Oxygen.
Well, no, they wouldn't give her oxygen. They told her they would grab oxygen.
Good morning! Tumawag si Tami early. 9 o'clock na ngayon. Good morning po. And luckily, yesterday, ay hindi ko natapos yung vlog ko yesterday, guys. Kasi yung ulo ko is pabalik-balik yung sakit. Pero, today, masakit yung scalp ko. Parang masakit pa rin siya hawakan. Parang numb siya hawakan kahit konti lang. Pero wala na yung wala na yung sakit na parang lightning na very quick sa ulo mo, mawawala naman. And then ito yung binili ko sa guys pala, di ba sa Walmart, tatlo. No, you cannot go in here. Go out. Okay, go out, ha? You cannot. Apat yung nabili namin. Hindi, ito galing sa Walmart, guys. Galing ito Big Lots. Sa Big Lots ito galing. And 4 yung nabili namin ni Tami. So, nilagay ko dito, ganun, para kapag matapos yung dyan, meron tayong ito. Yun, every bathroom nilagyan ko ng ganun. Ito yung sabi ko, di ba, na parang itapon ko sana, pero ang ganda naman pag itapon ko to, di ba, maganda. Nilagay ko siya dito kasi si Tami mahilig maraming coins or mga anek-anek sa niya, sa tawag nito, sa pocket niya, at saka every time na matulog kami, ilalabas niya. So, sabihin ko sa kanya na ilagay dito para hindi nakalagay kahit saan-saan. Sabihin ko sa kanya na ilagay dito yung mga anik-anik niya sa niya, pocket. And then, si Tami andun sa isang bahay, so pupunta siya dito. Tawagan lang niya yung doktor ng biyanan ko kasi nahirapang huminga yung biyanan ko ngayon. Siya, andun na sa bahay ng kapatid, pero nahirapan siyang huminga kasi yung tins ba, marami siyang iniisip, mga ganon-ganon, and then mahirapan siyang huminga. Pero hindi namin siya dalhin sa hospital kasi palagi naman siyang ganon. And tawagan lang yun yung heart doctor niya. And yun lang, I think mag-wax ako mamaya dito. Guys, I always wax over here kapag maitim na talaga siya. Uy, nalako yung pusa. Pasensya na, little man. Ow. Anyway, guys, kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya. Kasi si Tami, andito siya mamaya. Guys, matagal na to sa akin, guys. Sa akin. Ito yung mga paborito ko, yung puti at saka blue na baby cologne. Sweet Breeze. Ito siya. Binili ko to matagal na ganon-ganon. Mga para may konting tayo dito. Yung mga ganon. Yung bra ko is nahulog. Shut that up. Mainit na dito sa taas, guys. As in, masakit. Hindi ako nagsuklay, guys. Hindi naman ako palagi nagsuklay. Pero, hindi ko talaga pinunitel itong buhok ko. Pinabayaan ko lang siya kasi sobrang masyokert. So, maglagay tayo ng tuwalya sa baba. Dito yung mga towels. Hindi lang yung tong towels. Mahilig si Tami ng malaking towel. Yung mas malaki sa katawan niya. Yun. So, magdala tayo ng towel doon. Soap. Kailangan ko ng sabon. Ito, gustong-gusto ko to. Ayaw ni Tami to. Siya naman yung bumili. Irish Spring. Ang nito, guys, ang bango. Yep, dalhin natin sa baba. I think yun lang. Yun lang muna kasi, ito lang. Anyway, andito ako kasi nilala ko itong mga gamit na gusto ni Tami. Like alcohol, gamit niya itong alcohol. Ibalik ko to dito sa taas para may lalagyan tayo ng toothbrush. May mga bandages na gusto ko dito siya sa baba ilagay kasi hindi ano sa ano kapag may mangyari kay din ba hindi na tayo akit sa taas, dito na tayo. Vera Wang princess na perfume ko pero parang meron tayo dito. Meron naman ako mga perfume sa taas pero ano, itong paborito kong Avon na product na lotion at saka perfume Emery. Mask na matagal na sa akin. Gamitin ko na to para bago ito maswera. Ay, dito yung mga deodorant ni Tamimoy. Ano natin, i-separate pa. Dito na po. Mask ko yan. Malinis na, guys. Malinis na yung tab namin. So, pwede ko na siyang magagamit. Hopefully, hindi papasokin ni Tami yung pusa dito kasi yung pusa mahilig maglaro dito and then ang daming buhok. So naisip ko, sabihin ko kay Tami na huwag papasukin. Mahirap maglinis doon sa kasi yung buhok pumipilit. Alam nyo, yung si Bianan yung gumagamit dito eh. So yung, alam nyo, yung amoy ng matanda, yung kahit sinong matanda guys may amoy. Yung Bianan ko mahilig mag-perfume. Yung perfume niya is yung old. Yung amoy is pang matanda na amoy ba? So, I'm sorry guys kung meron kung ayaw yung pero yun, gusto ko lang linisin. Linisin, nilagyan ko ng airwick na para hindi tayo amoy matanda dito. Kain tayo ng nuggets guys. Ito nuggets. Ang pa. Makikita nilang kumain ako, pupunta yan dito. Naamoy ni Roxy. Ang layo pa ni Roxy pero naamoy. Nandito na guys. Nandito na guys. Naamoy mo. Naamoy. You amoy. Get down. Roxy down. You don't listen. Ang gahit-gahit ng ulo mo. You don't eat, you din. Go. Masakit swallow. I think yung naramdaman ko guys is siya. Yung naramdaman ko kahapon na sobrang sakit ng ulo. I think sabi pa ni Tami baka infection kasi connected sa ear. I think kasi kapag dito lang sa lip, 'di ba? Mag-swallow ako dito parang may counting sakit dito. May counting dito, kirot. Infection ito ba? Diba ayaw kanta Bisaya pa ay kansa pa palagi yun naanuhin na palaging mapasukan ng tubig itong tainga ko. And yun, kung kapag pasukan tayo ng tubig, kung pasukan yung tainga natin ng tubig, diba ang gagawin natin mag-jump lang tayo, palaging naka-jump at tinigan ito. And then and tawag ko doon mawala. Maramdaman mo lang nga may tulig na tumulo. Marami akong nakilala na na nagka-infection yung tainga, ang baho. Dahil sa ganun, bigyan ko tong dalawa. Ilagay ko sa pagkain nila kasi gano'n. Sabihin nila na itong ina natin walang hiya. Walang hiya itong ina natin, hindi magbigay. Kapag andito yung ama natin, bigay ng bigay, wala tayong problema sa pagkain. Ito, konting lang para pampagana. Itong si Tami, katatapos lang namin nag-usap. Makatawa na lang ta. Kasi magsabi ng, I love you, hon, even though you're scotch. Sabi ko, if you really love me, you don't have to add anything. Sabi ko, you don't have to add anything. And sabi pa niya, I want to. Sabi ko, no, if you love me, you don't have to add anything. You don't have to even though you like this, even though you like that, even though you're scotch. She always I love you, even though you're scotch. And then, I'm tired of it. Even. Ang daming even. Sabi pa niya, it tells you something more. It tells you something that I add more, even though you like that. I love you. Sabi ko, okay, thank you, whatever. Halo, kasi Tami ba, matawa ta. Kahit nagalit na ka na, Matawa ka pa rin. Hindi ito sinuot ni Tami. Akin na lang to. Binili ko to para sa kanya eh. Sabi pa niya, "Uy, ayaw kong suotin. Pang babae man yan." Kuha lang tayo ng mga towel dito. Labahan natin yan. Mga ginagamit ito ni Tami. And yan. Ito siya. Every morning, palagi akong pinupukaw nito. Magkipaglaro ka. Magkipaglaro. Mahuhulog yun ikaw. Tingnan nyo guys. Mahulog yan guys. Wala, mahulog yun ikaw. Mama's laying down because I have a headache. And then you come over here annoy me. Andito na si Tami soon guys. Yung dalawang aso gustong lumabas. Andun sila. Andito na si Tami. You're so close.
Take my car.
Huh?
Take my car.
No, I'm not driving your car.
I'll drive it because I need to get this car washed. It's fucking disgusting.
I can't drive your car.
Yeah, I can drive it.
I forgot how to drive this
I
car.
need to take
Kid. Hi, good looking.
I had a wreck.
I love you.
Get my lip. Right there.
What's your face? Hala, Hans is jealous. Did you hear that? That's jealous.
jealous?
That's jealousy.
Are you jealous? Are you crazy?
That's jealousy. Kumain na kayo ng candy. Kasi konti lang yung kinain ko kanina, di ba? Punta lang kami sa Walmart konti. Sandali, very quick.
Unlock garage. I close it.
I'll close it now.
Right.
Hmm?
Seriously, hon?
Han, I didn't. Oh? I'm just joking. You yell at me really fast, like I'm
Because you
stupid.
said I close it down. I pressed the button twice. It didn't do shit. Oh, God. I'm itching like crazy. I'm like rashing everywhere from the sun.
You don't like sun anymore.
Obviously, I'm allergic to sun now.
Done? Hey, you have to check the lawnmower.
What's the matter with the lawnmower?
Every time I cut now, it's kinda have like a sharp. You can see. If you go to the porch, I will show you later. Tayo ano tayo ng mga pagkain ng aso. Ang si Tami. Aso ang pusa. Ito yung sa pusa na dry food gusto nila oh. Yan, ito siya. Show them what you did.
Yeah.
He's trying to break this, guys.
I
You
thought
just
this was
have to
a
open
lock
this.
and hinge.
You just have to open this one, but he just keep like
Weird hinge for that.
Okay, let's get. Ito yung problema ko guys kapag kasama ko si
Raise
Tam.
the charcoal up, make it hotter.
Kapag kasama ko si Tam, ito yung problema. It's good. Salty. Turkey bites.
Actually pretty good for turkey.
Good.
And you get twice as much for less money.
You always spend something. Every time na...
Snack for the road.
No, I mean, you always spend something. You always buy something. Go over there. Turn with it over there.
I'm not getting that way. It's really difficult.
Kapag kasama ko si Tami mag-grocery, meron talaga siyang mga pa-extra. Always. Pa-extra na mga anik-anik.
Look, we got 4 jars of sauce.
We're not in the diet because you eat whatever you can eat. No diet, guys. swallow.
Like a swallow. Tell me you got an ear infection, huh?
Is that what I have?
Yes.
Ugukon maputani oy. Bungog ba bungog? The dog. What? You cannot do that. Mama, you scare me, Mama. I just have to put all this back kasi bata.
He loves it.
What he loves it?
He loves it.
He doesn't love
So much attention, but he loves it.
He been crying while you're over there. He probably see you from the window.
Yeah, I'm sure he did.
Like. Gumagawa si Mister ng kauna-unahan niyang recipe. The first ever recipe. Hala pasta and then the ola ole.
Ola ole.
Ola ole.
We can open this and see what leaks.
Ano, this one guys, this is the sauce that he's using. Ito siya, Frigo, roasted garlic, parmesan. It looks good and sounds good. Tapos na, yung kay Fami.
Put mushrooms in there, you mix them separate.
Huh?
Put the mushrooms in there, or you mix them separate.
Separate.
Okay. Let's pour this on.
Yeah. Hindi ulo na lang. Love, my love, my love. Love, my little girl. Aray, kainit. Aray, Han. Aray. Do you want me to mix the mushroom here? Or I don't want to ruin the mushroom?
Put the mushrooms in there if you want. You taste it? You taste like?
Ikakat ko na itong nagluluto na ako ng mushroom. Yan, mushrooms. And yung pasta ni Tami. Si Tami ba, pumunta sa kapitbahay. May dalang baso. Scotch. May dalang baso, scotch. And then, pinuntahan niya doon. Nagtatrabaho yung lalaki, kapitbahay namin. Nagtatrabaho, nagkakat ng grass. 7 o'clock na, nagmamadali. Itong si Tami, interrupt. Palagi itong si Tami, interruption ba? Walang iniisip. Interruption. Ito yung kakainin nating dinner. Yes guys, I use my hand kasi madali. My hand is clean.
Salt and pepper. Please do that.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
One.
Yeah. Thanks.
I love you. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. You want water?
I get you water.
I got, well, yeah.
You water.
You want a water? I was gonna get you water.
No, I mean you.
I have a glass.
You have a glass.
Yes, I don't need a glass.
You want another water bottle? Just a bottle.
Yes.
You need to drink a lot of
Yes, I
water.
need a bottle for water.
Dinner time, guys. Let me see yung pasta ni Tami.
A little spicy.
It's not bad. Actually, it's a good pasta. You don't like the spice?
No, I like it. It's a little spicy.
I like it. A bite. Mmm. So what he need to say?
Mushrooms okay, they don't need salt.
Yeah. Anyway, why you go over there bring me your bottle, glass?
I just walk over there and say hello.
Yun. And pinatay ko lang yung light sa front kasi 8 o'clock kapin, 8 o'clock something na pero hindi pa talagang dilim. 8:31, hindi pa talaga sobrang madilim sa labas. It's growing.
Yeah, I was saying, I just mowed this Saturday. Look how much fucking grass.
It's growing over here too. I just did that the other day.
They said they're looking at like 10 days of hot sunny weather. I said, well, you probably don't want to cut it too short because it would burn. Yeah.
You go pee-pee. You go pee-pee. I said pee-pee, not coming here.
If you call my name, I'm coming.
Anyway guys, we're gonna end this vlog.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
If you like it.
Hello. Thank you.
Oh, you like it better if you pointed it that way.
Say goodbye.
Somebody's come. Bye guys.
Bye bye guys. Over the rocks. Before I'm going to end this guys, yung si Roxy. Come in. Matigas ulo mo ha? Matigas?
Come on, big girl.
I'm gonna get that bone. Where is that bone? Give it to me. Give that bone. Come here. Hansi, put it all in her mouth. Hansi, hide it in her mouth. Give it to me. Come. Give that bone to me. Give that bone to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Where is that? Ari. Oh, that hurts. That's my hand. Give that to me. Give it to me. Give it to mama. Hala. Don't swallow it. Hello guys, nilagay niya bibig niya. Nilagay sa bibig. Come in. Ari. Come in, let's go inside. Bring this inside. We bring it. Okay. Ari. You know what she did? She tried to hide it in her throat. She do like
This usually did all that.
yeah.
Finally swallowed.
She tried to hide it. And then I'm afraid. I'm afraid if she swallow it and then she's gonna have a hard time.
Yeah, really hard time. Well, you'll have her throat cut open.
Kaloka. Hi guys, anyway guys, end ko na to guys. Good night guys. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.